Hi, and welcome to my channel, Left Field Mama, where I focus on parenting against the grain. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and join me in my journey of unconventional parenting. Are you looking for ways that you can encourage your children to be thoughtful and selfless and compassionate towards others? I know that in our family, those are all qualities that we are constantly trying to foster in our own children. And let's just be honest, in this society, it's really easy for any of us to become just a little bit self-centered. So this is why our family created a holiday called Celebrate You. This holiday focuses on selecting one special family member a month that we celebrate and we build up. It's a great way to shift the focus from ourselves to building somebody else up. So how does Celebrate You work? Well, after we've selected the family member that we are going to celebrate for the month, and we have selected the day of the holiday, I like to start it off with my special banner that I've created. This is Celebrate You. It's a great way to get the family started in this holiday and to be a little bit festive. So after my Celebrate You banner has been hung, I create a poster that I place somewhere visible in the house and easy accessible to everyone. And the poster will often look like this and is dedicated to our special person that we're celebrating. Each family member will have the opportunity to leave some love notes and words of encouragement on these posters for that person. And it's so much fun to watch them read the poster and just really build them up. After we've had an opportunity to write on our poster, we often start our day with our special person's favorite breakfast. It's such a great way to get the day started and just to be able to celebrate them. From there, the rest of the day is just filled with kind words and deeds, and it's pretty amazing to watch your family just in their creative ways find ways to celebrate that person. Sometimes I see extra high fives or hugs, or they'll even, share something that they normally wouldn't share, and it's just such a great opportunity to create an environment of selflessness. What I appreciate about this holiday is the opportunity to turn our attention to someone else all while building them up. And it's also a wonderful way to show our kids how great kindness feels. Does your family have special holidays or traditions that you use to teach your children the values of selflessness? If you do, I would love to hear about it. Please leave a comment and tell me all about your tradition. If you decide to try the Celebrate You holiday in your family, I would love to hear how that goes for you as well. If you liked this video, I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, please subscribe to my channel and follow my unconventional parenting journey, where I will have weekly posts of different tips of parenting against the grain.